best spots to sit down and just enjoy this lush vegetation, this really different type of trees and ferns and palms and climbers. Yeah, it's just rainforest. Look at the huge climbers and those guests on those trees, because what you see, that different type of leaves on the tree is a kind of fern. It's really just you know, a guest on this on this huge tree, and it's hanging down as well, different type of guest vegetation on that huge tree. Have a closer look. It's really set on the trunk of the tree, finding a good spot, for instance there. So the tree leaves are falling down into those cracks, and then suddenly another type of plant is finding its way to grow. So for instance, these ones are not really sucking the life out of the tree, but just taking the tree as a landing spot, and then just they have the small roots, hang around the tree, and then using the humidity in the air, and then of course the rain, which is raining almost every day. What can you expect in a tropical country? A daily 34 rain. It will last for about maybe 10-15 minutes, I hope. Definitely very green. A really nice spot to hang around. So let's have a closer look on this special guest plant on the trunk of the tree. Yeah, this one, and then the other one over there. And then different type here. climber, a special type of climbers. You can see how it's using the tree to climb up so it can have some sun. So why this part of the garden is called the eco garden, I just learned, because it's two reasons: economics and ecologics. Oh wow! So once, because all these plants which are in this garden, most of the plants have some kind of economical benefits, and so it relates to economics. And the other part is ecologic, so that to plant a city, to plant a garden, you have to keep it kind of logically that it keeps its natural feeling, and it's not really just man-made. Although this garden is really man-made, but the feel is really very organic. So the planning is very logical, how they put the different trees, and there we have some Southeast Asian squirrels. Yeah, okay. Let's have an example of why economics is related to a rainforest. Yellow cheesewood, it says, but is this the yellow cheese? Belongs to the family of that they can grow coffee on it. The yellow cheesewood belongs to the coffee family, one of the most important and diverse plant families in the tropic worldwide. The wood of this tree could be used for wood carving and carpentry. The flowers can be used. The flowers of this tree can be used for to create different kind of scent, because its flower is very scented and have very nice smell. The bark of this tree could be used for medical use, and especially for treatment of stomach ache and animal bites, so probably insects and animal bites. And its fruit becomes an edible, although a bitter fruit. Coffee is quite bitter, but we can use it to make a very nice coffee. Probably not this type of coffee tree, but from the same family.
Yeah.